Why is there a reason not to be worried about investing right now? This is Tyson Ray, financial advisor at Form Wealth Advisors, where we exist to help make life better for our clients and those in our community. This is up or down for September, and the market finished down. It's the first time it's finished down since January, so it's about time it finally happened, but it finished down nonetheless. But why does none of this matter? There's a lot of scary headlines. We're all worried about China and what communism is trying to do to corral capitalism. That looks to be pretty centralized to China itself. Shockingly, China didn't learn their lesson that the United States had to learn, that if you build too many homes and you have too many people investing in real estate, eventually that bubble runs out of air and they're going to have some cleaning up to do. But that doesn't matter. That looks to be pretty contained. And there's concerns about more spending on infrastructure. There's concerns about potential tax changes. But again, I'm not really too concerned about that. And where's my confidence lie? My confidence lies, again, in the fact that until some of this money gets spent, there's a lot of money, there's a lot of buying power sitting in the sidelines. And I've shown this before, but I'm going to show it again because it's worth referencing. The M2 money supply that tracks basically every cash equivalent jumped nearly 30% when COVID crisis hit because they didn't know what was going to happen. And as this chart shows, you can see the recession of the financial crisis, and there was stimulus, and there was QE, and there was the government trying to get the economy back in line. But human individuals never really felt that come into their bank accounts because you have no spike in this M2 money supply, which is money markets and cash equivalents. But all of a sudden, coming into the COVID recession that only lasted 2 months, by the way, you have this huge increase, which basically means every American, just about, most investors, most businesses are sitting on the most amount of cash they've ever had, and it continues to grow. And until that cash finds a home, there's enormous buying power in both for our economy and for investing. And where my confidence lies is that money finding a new home, which is what it was given to us in the first place to stimulate things. It's just going to take a lot longer than people are thinking. And that is what I think is the buying power for the future. Every day, all around the world, people are trying to tell you why the market went up or why the market went down. And the fundamental truth is no one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. But what we do know is that there are trends, but trends are boring because trends line up with fundamentals, and fundamentals, kind of like exercising and eating well, no one seems to want to care about. And so therefore we got to have all these exciting things about how to make money fast or how to be scared about making an investment. And what I found is you got to tune that out and pay attention to fundamentals. And if we pay attention to how much cash is sitting on the sidelines, there's still a lot of hope to be had in investments that every day people are trying to scare you out of. And every day you're missing an opportunity to make a difference in the future of your life 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now if you continue to allow yourself to be scared about what's going on in these headlines and the news. What's going to make a difference is the money you're setting aside now going to grow and keep up with the inflation we're currently experiencing. Continuing to have investments in the equity markets, even though they're at their all-time highs, we think is going to be the most rewarding place to be. And it's to bring a perspective of not letting yourself get scared out of those investments or be scared to continue to make those investments is the why we want to tell you here in September to hold on, enjoy the ride. We think your life's going to be better for it. The purpose of these up or down videos is to try and bring a little understanding about what you should be doing with your long-term investments based on what is going on. And so this is Tyson Ray, financial advisor at Form Wealth Advisors, where we exist to help make life better for our clients and those in our community. Until next time.